Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about a new product and new color of VS Summer Blue. This color scheme has only been released for a few months. VS Factory quickly made it. Let's see how it's made. This gradient blue. From the first glance, I feel that the color is really well tuned. There is a little bit of whitening in the middle, which is light blue, and then gradually present a radial to a deep blue effect. The middle part is relatively white from the front, then it turns blue, and then to dark blue. It also has a gradient effect. Different lighting will show different effects. Will present a different effect. Its color has a gradient effect. And its color are all plated with Tiffany blue color scheme. The luminous filling. It's very bright here. Zoom in and it's also a ceramic plate. The wavy pattern is very clear. VS Factory's Seamaster. The dial is well made. The color matching is also well tuned. And for this blue color, there will definitely be color differences. But I don't think the color difference is very big. Because the color I went to see the original one is also similar. The middle is relatively white. And then gradually turns into this blue, which also has a gradient effect. The gradient effect is good when you look at it diagonally. The glass is also coated with a blue film, which is very transparent. The outer ring is still made of ceramic enamel process. It won't fade even if you wear it for a long time. And these numbers are also painted with Tiffany blue color, including its. The night pearl is the same, has a Tiffany blue color, summer blue, which looks more like summer. And this color scheme is also very nice. It's a relatively novel color scheme. It's better than the blue and gray ones. Because this blue, it can't be said to be blue or gray, because when you look at the dial from an angle, it looks like gray. It has a gradient effect, so it's a gradient ice blue. And it also has radial lines. And the case is still the same case, which is brushed. And the four corners at the back are also polished. And all the necessary engravings are there. This new color scheme is an anniversary model, so it's a sealed bottom style. Poseidon, the god of the sea, riding two seahorses, and holds a trident in his hand. The relief is very three-dimensional. And it feels very three-dimensional when touched. And it's not rough at all. It's still relatively smooth to the touch. It's shiny. The steel strap. The steel strap of the Seamaster 300 is also well made. It's very round, so it won't be very scratchy when worn on the hand. But if you have a lot of hair on your hands, it will also catch your arm hair. The buckle and the back here can also be stretched. Just press it down to lengthen or shorten it. Normally, this section is not needed because the steel strap is already very long. If our wrists are smaller, we can directly remove two links. It's quite simple to remove the steel strap. The buckle logo. The movement is still the 2824, with an added plate. And it's a solid bottom. We can't see the movement. It's very beautiful. Let's try it on. The color combination is quite bright. It can be worn when swimming. It's a suspended type. We rotate the head out. Upward is to wind the spring. Pull it out one more gear. It's for adjusting the calendar. The calendar window is also plated with blue. Pull it out again to adjust the time. Lower the time to 284. When we press the head in, there is a small detail. We need to move it back a little bit when pressing it in, and it will be pushed in a little. Then we rotate it upwards, so that the crown will not be damaged. Because the common problem of the Seamaster 300 VS, the crown is easy to break. We don't just press it in like this and rotate it upward. We need to move it back a little bit and then rotate it up. This way, it's easier to protect the head and it won't be easily broken. Its movement is also very stable. The 2824 movement has always been stable. The VS Factory's Seamaster 300 has few after-sales. If there are 100 pieces, only a few are sent for after-sales service. But those few after-sales cases are usually head problems, so its movement is very stable. Okay, let's take a look at the luminous. The luminous is also this icy blue. The luminous pearl and the minute hand are green. It's a two-color luminous. The new color of this watch is quite bright. It's highly recommended.